Okay, we're finally at step number 10. The dough has risen and it's pretty springy. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our pan and oil it, whatever vegetable oil you have. I like to use organic olive oil. And then with the little bit of flour onto a work surface. We're going to turn out the dough. It's going to be a little bit sticky, but see it is sticky, but it does come away from the bowl. Now there's many different ways to shape the dough. I'm going to show you one way. There are many others. But in general, what I do is I set it so it's like a bit of a rectangle. And bring it back and fold the bottom up, side to side and together, like that, and tap it down. Take the front, pull forward, and bring it back. So that now gives you a bit of a triangle, a bit of a square, and what you're trying to do is to actually create tension within the dough, and it helps, again, build the structure within the loaf. Then take these, pull them about and together again, and then together like this. So now I've got the beginning of my loaf. A little more flour on top. You can use some of the flour from the table as well. And so I'm just going to use my fingers to start to shape it. Now it's going to get a little sticky. So again, use flour. That's always your friend. But you can hear it's slightly hollow. And that's actually from the air that's being trapped inside. So I'm going to finish this up. And you see I'm just kind of pushing in the ends and I'm creating a tube. And that's it. We're just going to do something very, very simple like that. And we put it inside of our bread pan. Now you're going to have a smaller bread pan than I do, but this will fit quite nicely. This is still going to come out, but it's going to be of a different shape than what you will have at home. So now it's a little bit late. Normally, if you continue following on step 11, you would basically put that aside, let that rise, and when it goes through that final proofing, you would then start the baking process. In this case, it's late, and it may be late at your house too. So what you can do is stop here, cover the loaf with a piece of plastic, or the pan with a piece of plastic. My suggestion is to put a little bit of oil on the plastic first, or you can put a little bit of oil on top of the loaf itself like this. So that will just make sure that as it rises, it's not going to stick to the plastic. And so I'm done for today. I'm going to put this into the refrigerator to finish rising. And that's called a cold proof. And it's something that I do in the bakery and many bakeries do to get a better result and a stronger crust on the outside of your bread. Thank you so much, and we're going to continue with step 11 a little bit later.